To sort BestPlaces employment opportunities effectively, start by understanding the website's job search features. BestPlaces is a platform that provides information on various places to live and work, including job listings. First, navigate to the BestPlaces website and click on the Jobs or Employment section. Here, you can find a search bar where you can enter keywords related to the job you are looking for, such as the job title, location, or industry. Once you have entered your search criteria, click the search button to retrieve a list of relevant job openings. The results page will display a list of jobs that match your search criteria, along with details such as job title, location, and employer. To sort these employment opportunities, look for the sorting options at the top of the results page. You can typically sort jobs by factors such as relevance, date posted, or distance from your location. For example, if you want to see the most recently posted jobs, select the date posted option and choose to sort in descending order. This will display the newest job listings at the top of the page. Another key feature to utilize is the filtering options. These allow you to narrow down the job listings based on specific criteria, such as job type, experience level, or salary range. By applying filters, you can quickly eliminate jobs that do not match your requirements and focus on the most suitable opportunities. In addition to sorting and filtering, take advantage of the job details page to gather more information about each opportunity. This page typically includes a detailed job description, requirements, and application instructions. By following these steps and utilizing the sorting and filtering features on BestPlaces, you can efficiently search and sort employment opportunities to find the best fit for your skills and preferences. Remember to stay organized, keep track of the jobs you have applied for, and follow up with employers to increase your chances of success.